Hi, my name is Tanae Williams with Gotham Capital Services, LLC, and as your business finance consultant, we would like to take the time to share with you the comparison between the SBA EIDL program, which was already released as a stimulus package, and compare that with the CARES Act SBA 7A loan for COVID-19 struggles that we're all going through. For the CARES Act, small businesses will receive $349 billion. We are specifically interested in small businesses that have 500 or less employees. That's our lane. And this is where we want to make sure you have the differences that you need to know to apply for each program. We have help available, and we'll discuss that a little bit later. We have received hundreds of emails and calls from small business owners like yourself confused about the SBA relief. Business owners also want to know the loan terms and if they can apply for both relief funds. We are going to go through the pluses and minuses. We should really congratulate the country for everything that they've done, and thank you to President Trump for signing this historic $2 trillion stimulus package for the American people. So the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, the EIDL, was actually a stimulus package released in January. You must apply for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan directly through the Small Business Administration website. However, we can provide you with a step-by-step video, which you can click at the bottom on how to apply. We are also going to be providing that same video for the CARES Act. All you have to do is click below to the step-by-step instructions, and we'll show you how to do that. So the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, the maximum loan amount is $2 million. There's a 3.75% interest rate for for-profit businesses and a 2.75 interest rate for nonprofit businesses. The loan terms cannot exceed 30 years, and this stimulus package is only available in states with SBA-approved declarations of disaster. Through our sources, we've heard there are currently over 25,000 applications submitted with at least a 3-week approval lag time. It can be assumed at this point that the approval times will only increase as more applicants apply. What you must really take into consideration is if you do apply for the EIDL, you will not be eligible for the CARES Act SBA 7A relief loan, which we believe may be a little faster and easier to apply. So here's the details on the CARES Act SBA 7A. The loan amount up to $10 million. Interest rates will not exceed 4%. It's eligible for profit and nonprofit businesses. So as you can see right there, 4% is obviously more than the 3.75, and it's more than the 2.75 for nonprofits. So if you're a nonprofit, you may want to consider the EIDL loan. It's a fully amortized loan for 10 years. However, that 10-year amortized loan, those payments will be larger, of course, than a 30-year amortized loan. So that's the benefit of the EIDL. The loan proceeds are to include payroll support, including paid sick or medical leave, employee salaries, mortgage payments, insurance premiums, and any other debt obligations incurred before 2/15/2020. The SBA guarantees all fees and lender fees, and they will be waived. So you literally will not have any fees with this loan. Whereas on the EIDL loan, there will be the standard fees. No prepayment penalty and no personal guarantee. So as long as you're in business and you can show you're in business, we are going to be able to process that loan for your piece of that $349 billion. Furthermore, the credit elsewhere test and collateral requirements would be waived during the covered period. A borrower with a current EIDL loan can only also receive the CARES Act SBA 7A relief loan if the EIDL loan is unrelated to the COVID-19 disaster. The SBA EIDL loan already has a bottleneck, as I said, of over 25,000 applications, and the CARES Act SBA 7A relief loans are available up to $10 million versus only $2 million for the EIDL. Gotham Capital Services is here to help. The first thing you want to know is, how fast can I get funded? Well, with the expertise and experience of seasoned SBA lenders and loan providers such as ourselves involved in helping to shape the policy, we anticipate that the CARES Act SBA 7A relief loan will be more streamlined than the EIDL program, and funding will be available very, very soon. We are ready to process applications. So your options for immediate funding are simple. We have formulated a step-by-step video to walk you through every step of the application process through the SBA. Everything is done for you. Just click the arrow below. You also will have the ability to ask us questions. So we are forming a chat room which you will receive. It will either be on WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever is best for you. And you can go into the chat room and ask questions if you purchase the do-it-yourself video. The do-it-yourself video is only $49.99. It's really simple. Just click the link below. Or you can get a dedicated finance advisor. We will collect and review your documents for submission, and we have accounting services available if you happen to need profit and loss statements required or anything like that. With the EIDL loans, we've noticed that profit and loss statements, last 2 years' tax returns and things of that nature, year-to-date bank statement, all of those things were necessary to prove you are in business right now during this disaster. Those things may be necessary for this new loan. Information is coming in. Either way, if we go ahead and process your loan application, the SBA is paying those fees, our fees, so there is no cost to you. However, if you do it yourself, there's no cost to you either, just a very small fee. We walk you through it, and I believe it'll be a little bit faster if you do it yourself. Of course, we are helping thousands of people. There are millions of businesses that will be applying. I really do believe you will get your money faster if you do it yourself and go through our step-by-step video. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic year, and we hope you and your family are healthy, and pray for all of you.